Michael, for heaven's sakes. John, close the door so the key doesn't get out, please. Nicholas, stop hanging on me, please.
Nicholas, come on, I gotta find all those eggs. There's lots of them out there.
Let's see. Oh, there's an egg there. Oh, there's one over there. Quick.
I don't want to carry you. I'm not carrying you. Come on, I have to sleep without you.
Cut.
Cut. No, I'm gonna get the real.
Cut. Come on, don't let him get all. Nicholas.
Go ahead.
Go ahead, Nicholas, let's go.
Jackson, let's go.
Come on,
Get the eggs,
quick.
get the eggs, quick, get the eggs. Okay.
Okay, ready? Well, Maddie's gonna get the top, you get the bottom.
The eggs, you're good and sad.
There he goes. There he goes. He's off and running.
Up, up.
He found it up on a tree.
Oh, oh.
Be careful.
Wave at the camera.
He's hunting him down. He's an old pro. He's got him going now. Whoa! Let's scramble the eggs. Meanwhile, back at the Nick, still trying to get away from the.
Johnny, go do a picture of your dad, son. One or two.
Here, John, your official.
Hey, look at this. Look what's inside. All these goodies.
Well, we could have one separate.
Come on, Nicholas. Come on. Come on, Nicholas. There's not very many left. They're almost all gone. Come on. Come on, Nicholas.
Maddie's wearing himself out. Go, Maddie, go. Be careful, Maddie.
You gotta bring out the heavy artillery bag. Oh my goodness.
Sometimes the obvious ones.
Whoa.
You hit it on his head almost. Oh, he missed it. Oh, you found it. Did you see it?
You missed one.
Look at time level.
Oh!
Quick, Nicholas. Put it in.
You think he's got that?
Come on, Nick. Let's go up here.
Oh, whoops.
John, you're losing the loop.
Hey. Come on, there must be
I forgot to
some more.
cut. Did you count the eggs, John?
No.
Look, there might be one right here by my elbow. Look here, Nicky. Right there. Right there. Quick, quick.
You picking eggs off the tree?
Where? Where?
Oh, there's another one on the bush. On the bush.
Where?
The forsythia. The forsythia.
Look at John. Oh, I see what it is.
Hurry, hurry, run, 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 run. Cleaning up on the house.
This way.
Over here. Okay, put it in here, Nicky. That's it, that's it.
All right, now he's finally working.
Oh, you found the green one.
Yeah, put up last spring from Sears.
Quick, hurry up. Hey, Nicholas.
Dad, are there any more?
Come here, Nicky.
Yeah, look by the
Oh,
look by the fence. Look by the fence. Look by the fence.
Look by the fence.
Thanks, Betty.
I still see one. I still see one. Oh! Oh! Hey, Nicholas, come on. I know where one is. Nicholas, come on. I know where one is. Come on. Where? Come on, Nikki. Come on. Let's go.
Oh, I see. You're giving big money in this one.
I hear, yeah, I hear something nice.
Hey, you found it. Are those all of them, Dad?
No, I can't see with the camera.
Okay, a little bit.
You got them all, Dad?
Well,
so.
let's do a little inspection here.
What do you say, guys, huh?
Wow, you
got
guys
that
are raked out for a late starter. Sheesh. Wow, this is so full.
You got it.
What does the number 10 mean, Mike?
I don't know. We'll have to go down. Everybody go down to the
Oh,
table.
I see one more.
Oh, Johnny, one more.
There's one more over here somewhere.
Oh.
There's one more over here.
That brushes off.
Come on, Nikki. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, Nicholas. Come on. Come on.
Ah, you got the wood pile. Okay. All right.
Mom, I think I found the one that had what does the 10 mean?
You have to ask Shirley maybe.
Yeah, well, she's got the key.
These are all your eggs right here. Come on, you guys sit here for open the Easter eggs.
What's 10 mean?
All right, who
I
hit the
can't
green
tell you
egg?
that.
They get the
By how
prize
many
for the
numbers
hardest
you got?
egg to find.
I have to look in the bag.
Cracked egg, cracked egg.
You can put the cracked eggs in here, Nicholas.
Okay.
Mr. Bunny, okay?
That's Nicholas back.
Yeah.
Which one's mine, Nikki?
Thank you.
I want one. Which one's mine?
Look, here's you got number 5, Nicholas. Let's see that green.
I get
Yeah,
number 10.
Big
Hey, my egg is empty.
Pretty nice.
Where'd you find the bucket from?
Nicholas,
Well,
my egg
Friday
is
stores,
empty.
this is stuff they had here. Neat stuff.
The store around the corner?
Nicholas picked these, but they had some Easter bunnies.
We're doing this all wrong, Shirley.
Why don't you come on this side?
Nicholas should be over here.
Nicholas, come on this side.
What?
Oh boy, bubblegum jelly beans.
Can I have this one? Huh? Can I have this one?
Where'd you find
You
the
know what?
ones with the
Give you
clear tabs?
something. Hooray, you want a special
Those are probably
prize.
from her stockings.
Oh,
I
good.
found 2.
From leg stockings.
There's a lot of numbers. Keep
Am I doing it
looking.
right?
No, boy, these are the heavy ones.
And
And
I
then
got
the ones
number
at the table, you
10.
eventually get to Alma.
And I also got number 10.
Oh my
See,
God.
many 4.
Open your eggs, I'll be right back. I got prizes and numbers. Help Johnny.
Come on, Nicholas.
Nicholas, stay there. Help Johnny.
Okay, I'll wait till all the eggs. Okay, forget it. I'll wait till all the eggs are in. Come on. Tell me open
He
your
had some
eggs.
big
Look
ones
at
too.
these.
This one.
This is their festival.
Wow. Thank you, Mr. Bunny.
Oh, it's really good.
Wait. We have to figure out which is the right.
Get all your numbers out. Let's see what you got.
All right.
It's got tape on it.
Here, Johnny, you got a pink one.
A dime.
Oh boy. Yeah,
Dime.
wow.
Got loot.
Thanks.
This is tape.
Look at this white bunny. Look at this white shirt.
I have belly ache galore here.
Dentist bills will be coming.
look at this.
Here you go.
What's in there?
One egg beside another.
I know, I cheated on some of these. Did you know that?
That's a good idea.
I know fix these people. I could have found my little tiny eggs. Those are little tiny ones.
Oh yeah.
Got one more. Okay, let's see.
Yeah, Easter Bunny was really busy.
Ooh, you can have one kid.
I get another one.
Look at those silly eggs. Yes, we're going to give prizes out in a minute. Let's let Matthew finish opening his eggs. Want to help Matthew? Is he almost done?
You guys,
Ready?
wait, I guess everybody's gonna do it all one time? Oh no. I'm gonna get egged. I'm gonna have egg on my face.
Ready?
Ready?
Ready? On 3.
Come on, Nicholas.
1,
2,
2, 3.
Right in the beer gut.
That's mud blub.
number 10.
Mub blub? What was that, Teddy Ruxpin?
Let's pick a number. Do we have that one?
Okay, we can trade maybe. We'll take our prizes and we can trade or something, okay?
Okay. Number 4
Nicholas
for
likes to
Nicholas.
trade.
Let's see. Number 4 for Nicholas. It's a, what is that?
Well, Nicholas, you want to trade?
Number 9. Let's see.
Hey, you want to trade, Nikki?
This one?
Nicholas.
Oh, yeah, this one.
Here.
Oh
I
no!
can't believe it.
Okay, we'll see. We'll see.
I didn't think you had that one.
Yeah.
Oh.
It does? Oh, phew. Okay, Nicholas is number 2. Look what you got. What's your number? Number 11. I knew I should have called you on the phone.
Oh, that's okay.
Here.
Do you have that one? Eggzilla.
Yes.
He's been eyeing that
And
at
a
Bradley's,
number.
I think, or someplace.
Hey, Nicholas. Nicholas.
Eggs. Boy, you sure got enough candy there? Let's see what you got. Number 8. The clip-on bunny.
Oh, boy.
See, Nicholas, you got another number, Nicholas? That's your number?
You get the point again.
Nicholas, you get a jelly bean bubble gum. Let's see. Number 3. What's number 3? It's a special egg. What's inside it? It's a baby bunny.
Oh, boy. Hey, that's cute.
Nicholas, let's see what you get. Nicholas got some more eggs.
Oh,
Another
good.
number?
That's what you need.
It's a 7. Got some bubblegum eggs. Oh, no, there's no bubblegum eggs. And this is yours too. What's in that one? Okay, Nicholas, you got this one? What's inside
Here's
there?
another one.
It's a bunny. Uh-oh, the bunny.
Oh,
Oh,
Oh no! We'll get the pictures out. They're right over here.
Right down there.
Another one.
okay, open it up inside so it is.
Bunny fishing.
Hey, move your feet.
What
Okay,
you wanna
we're gonna
trade?
retrieve the bunny.
Bunny. What do you?
What do you want to
You
trade?
chopsticks? Some eggs are coming out of it.
Oh, Nicky, Nicky, help me! We gotta get the bunny. Oh,
What would you
oh,
I
oh!
got him! Hey! Dr. Cruce.
The first try, too.
Both of these
Must be
will-
regular. Okay.
Monsters coming up.
Let Nicholas go first.
Okay.
Oh.
That's
Well, I hear any monster noises. I'm not scared at all. No, too late. You gotta do it when you're on top of the mountain.
You want to slide?
Do it on top of the mountain now.
Slide down.
Go on top. Oh, I'm scared now. I'm shaking.